Hi, this is Steve from the G Suite Tips team here in the UK, and you can find us online at our website, gsuitetips.com. You can follow us on Twitter or on Google+, and of course you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. So today's video tip is to show you how you can use conditional formatting within a Google Sheet, and an example use is to use it to track data changes or changes to the data within the sheet. So I've got a demo sheet here, which has got some student names, gender, class, what they're majoring in, extracurricular activity, etc. So there's a number of different things here which we could use conditional formatting. I'm going to do an easy one, which is the gender, which is currently male and female. So just to show you this quickly, if I select this column, okay, and then go to Format, and at the bottom here, Conditional Formatting, and you'll see it pop up on the right hand side here. The range I could set now, but I've already set it, okay, and I'm going to now update it. Now what I might do is just change that from B1 to B2, because I don't actually want to format the top line here, which is got all the data classes on. So I'm going to format the cells based upon a condition. The condition here is text is exactly. I could say text ends with, text contains, but in my case, I'm going to do exactly. Okay, and here's the text. First of all, I'm going to do male, and you can see it's already changed color to the color that I've got. Let's just make that color red, for example. Okay, so all the male will be in red. I could change that color to a different color if I wanted to. Let's make it a bright red. Okay, and I could click done. Actually, while I've got that selected, I can click add another rule, which is rather nice. So now I can say, let's make this female. Okay, and let's change that color to, for example, a nice bright green color. Okay, and then click done. So you can see now quickly by using the conditional formatting, it jumps out to you if you're looking for the different colors there. And in terms of changing data within here, let's say that people are taking tests and we're tracking the results. So we might have pass and, for example, fail. Okay, so I'm going to grab that and just put that in semi-randomly throughout here. Let's try and mix it up a little bit. Okay, and there we go. So not everything's filled in. A bunch of them are, a bunch of them aren't, but you get the idea. So again, I can click on the column, and I can click on my format, and then conditional formatting. I've already got the range to apply to. I'm just going to change again, so I'm not taking the top line, the top row. Okay, exclude that one, the one row. Okay, and I'm going to say in this case, if the text is exactly, again in my case, pass. Okay, in which case I'm going to leave that green. That sounds good. Green for good. So I could click done, but I'm going to add another rule. Okay, text is exactly, fail. I'm going to make that, let's say, make that kind of a red color, an unhappy red, and click done. And you can see it only affects the cells, obviously, where it matches. So if you've got nothing in there yet, then you could put nothing. If I click back onto here, we can see that those rules are there. I can say add a new rule. Okay, again, I'm going to change that to G2, and I'm going to say this time cell is empty. I might put some kind of neutral color in there, so maybe nice pale blue or something like that. Just put that in there and click done, and we should then see that we've got the neutral sort of blue color there in there. And that's it, really. Just to remind you, to get to there, you can just click format, conditional formatting, and then go and select your range. Okay, or you can pre-select the range. Okay, and then go into the conditional formatting at that point, which I think is sort of slightly easier actually. So conditional formatting, and then you can go upon the use the right criteria. I just did some straight text matching, but if you did have some values in there, you could actually be doing based upon dates and greater than and equal to and less than, etc., and change the colors. So it's a good way to track how data is changing and to sort of instantly notice how data looks within the spreadsheet. I hope that's pretty clear for you. I hope that's helped. And I'm going to remind you that you can find us online at gsuitetips.com. Follow us on Twitter and Google+, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please, you can leave tips, comments, on our tips on our website and of course on the YouTube channel, or you can get in touch on the social media channels, Twitter and Google+ as well. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.